guys, it's John over at Hayes Classics. What I have here is a 1987 Chevy V10 4x4. It's got a 4-inch rough country lift. It's got the 10-inch rally wheels with 35-inch BFG tires. It's the first year of the 1987 is the first year of the fuel injection, so it's kind of a really rare truck. Nobody really wants the carbureted anymore, so this is the first year of the fuel injection. The truck's been restored top to bottom. It's got beautiful two-tone paint. Every piece of this truck was taken off and redone. Everything from the interior, all the way from the underneath the exhaust, everything's brand new in this truck. So just take a look, guys. My name is John. If you want to make a deal, 916-223-4841, because everything's for sale.